Hey, I'm Sammy, owner of Planners Anonymous, and I am super excited to be releasing this collab box with Michaels and Craftsmith. It's a limited edition box available at michaels.com. I first started Planners Anonymous because I love planning, crafting and design, and I wanted to share that love with as many people as possible. I wanted to make it super simple for people to use beautiful artworks that coordinate a bunch of variety of products in their planners and crafting projects. I'm super excited and can't wait to see how you all love this first box.
Now, I'm so excited to run you through this box, but first, can we just look at this box? This is going to be one to keep on its own. It looks like on the back we've got what's included, and there are details. Woo! And there's a lot in there. Let's go. And these are nice and big so that you can actually use them as features on cards, and they're foiled too. A whole bunch of bits and pieces that you can use just to highlight what you're writing in for the week, or just to decorate. Like, it's actually a really beautiful, simple set. There's 4 washies in the pack. So the top one is like our tearaway washies where you can just cut them off and use them individually. And then you've got the polka dots, the florals, and a whole bunch of planning items. Oh, these are great for just like highlighting what you've got on, or something really special that you want to highlight in the day or the week. I am loving this box. It's completely versatile, not just for planners, but for crafters, for mums, for dads, for anybody. I love it. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you've enjoyed.